In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wave background in Figma using the Bend tool. This process is straightforward and you'll be able to achieve beautiful flowing wave designs in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login button, enter your login credentials and get started. Once you're in, you should be on the Figma homepage. From the homepage, look for the Design tab and click on it to begin. This will take you to the design workspace where all the magic happens. If you don't have a specific project in mind, feel free to create a new one or open an existing file where you'd like to add this wavy background. With your design interface ready, it's time to select a shape. You can use the rectangle tool to draw a basic shape on your canvas. This shape will act as the foundation for your wave background. Once you've drawn your shape, make sure it's selected. Next, we're going to modify this shape by editing the top anchor points to transform it into a wave. To do this, zoom in on the shape and select the top anchor points. You can find these points at the corners and edges of your shape. By clicking and dragging these anchor points, you can start shaping the curve of your wave. Adjust each point to create smooth, flowing curves that resemble the gentle rolling of waves. An important tip to keep in mind while doing this is to ensure that your curves are symmetrical and clean. This will ensure that your wave will look natural and appealing. A good way to achieve smooth curves is by making minor incremental adjustments, checking each change as you go to see how it affects the overall design. After you've crafted the initial wave, feel free to customize the colors and gradients to give your background a more dynamic look. You can choose colors that complement your overall design theme. Gradient fills can help in adding depth and movement, making the wave even more visually interesting. Once you're satisfied with the wave you've created, you can duplicate your wave to cover more of the background or adjust the settings to stretch across your entire design frame. Figma's intuitive interface makes it easy to scale, duplicate, and move elements around. So, feel free to experiment with these features to create the perfect wave background for your design. And there you have it, your personalized wave designed background created using the Bend tool in Figma. Remember to save your work regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment further with colors or shapes to find the style that best fits your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!